You manage a set of Power BI reports intended for the company's Human Resources division. The underlying datasets enforce row-level security across multiple sales territories, and each territory is overseen by a specific HR manager. You need to provide these HR managers with access exclusively to their respective regional data while ensuring they cannot modify the report designs. How should you set up their access? Option A. Deploy the reports through a Power BI app and provide the HR managers with app permissions. Option B. Establish a new workspace, duplicate the semantic models and reports there, and assign the HR managers as workspace members. Option C. Deploy the reports to a separate workspace that does not contain the datasets. Option D. Assign the HR managers as members of the workspace currently housing both the reports and datasets. The correct answer is option A. Deploy the reports through a Power BI app and provide the HR managers with app permissions. Here's why. When building for multiple territories, you want to control who can access what regional data while ensuring they cannot modify the report designs. By deploying the reports through a Power BI app and providing managers with app permissions, you limit their viewing rights and ensure they don't have editing privileges. By working with a shared workspace, the HR managers end up with workspace access, which allows them to edit and potentially change the report designs. So by having the managers within a shared workspace, they would end up with more access than necessary.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. Deploying the reports through a Power BI app provides business users with read-only access to the content, preventing them from modifying report layouts while fully respecting row-level security. Option B is incorrect because duplicating datasets and reports creates unnecessary maintenance overhead and does not inherently solve the layout editing restriction cleanly. Option C is incorrect because separating reports and datasets across different workspaces complicates data governance and model reuse. Option D is incorrect because adding users as standard members to a workspace grants them editing capabilities, whereas business consumers should consume content via apps to prevent unauthorized layout changes.